only doing a short video today because I think they know that. But I'm only doing a short video today because I think I'm about to. Ward. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Third vlog.
My name is Jeff.
No one knows where you could catch a bowler. Is it in my house? Oh. Sérieux. Je sais pas. What happens when somebody kills you on a game?
Hacks!
I know I'm gonna get assassinated.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Rude.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
Bang, bang, bang.
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah!
Bruh. Bruh.
I killed Batman. No, I am Batman.